What did Grammys give you?
I can't see. It's right there. Where was it? It's magic. $2!
What do you tell Grammy?
Thank you!
Blow her kisses. You want to read your card, Emily?
Yeah.
Read your card.
Mine don't have nothing. Yes, it does. It has words right there. And it says, for a sweet girl. It says for a sweet girl.
Oh, you are a sweet girl. All right, Emily.
Ooh.
Emily, read, honey.
Look, you get to cut
Cute. You
it.
can hang that up in your room.
She gave me butterflies that you can cut out.
Oh, wow. I love it.
You can cut out these butterflies too.
Cool. Lauren, look in the back, Lauren. I think you can color yours. You can color it, Lauren. Cool.
Thank you. And you know I like butterflies.
Yeah. Let me see, Lauren. Cute.
I get to color it.
Yeah. All right. Blow her a kiss and say bye-bye. Tell her thank you.
Thank you, Grandma.
Say I can't wait to see you.
Valentine's Day. I can't wait to see you.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.